Hey, I'm Rain.
And I'm Brad.
And we are Top Line Travels.
If you're just joining us, this summer we have moved onto our catamaran Lagoon 450 and are currently sailing the Mediterranean. In this episode, join us as we uncover the hidden wonders of Korcula, its beautiful old town cobbled streets, wild deer and the delights of its wineries. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel to discover more captivating destinations as we travel the Mediterranean.
Finished up in Hawaii and we're now off sailing to the island of Korcula. And this is our view for the day. So while we've been sailing, Rain's been pretty damn ill. So let's go have a check how she's doing. Oh, she's fast asleep, look. Got all the meds dosed up.
Finally starting to feel myself again. We are on the move. We are at the moment at the very top of Korcula. It's beautiful here. We're currently surrounded by mountains and it's just magnificent.
What a spot for the afternoon.
We went to Lumbarda, but you can't lie in their lay beds without paying 20 euros. So we decided to head over to Mimi's, which is just around the corner. And if you buy a drink, you can lay at their beach and soak up the sun. Very happy gal with an espresso martini and a sunbed.
Mimi's restaurant having a beautiful dinner. We've got the boat over here in the middle of the valley with the beautiful mountain.
Look at these cocktails. Oh my goodness, you are kidding. That looks amazing. We're moored and there's like a big playground thing. It's early, no one's there, so we're gonna go have a little fun. How do you get there?
Just climb to the end.
Dude, it's harder than it looks.
No, slowly. 2, 1, go. Launch. Oh.
We're on our way to Badija Island, which is an island just off Korcula where we're staying, and it is known for its wild deer. We're currently just passing the monastery. It's huge. We found the deer. Look how cute they are.
Badija Beach, home to these beautiful wild deer that roam freely along the coastline. Visitors can enjoy the stunning coastal views while encountering these gentle creatures. There are signs that say no feeding, but when we spoke to locals, they said next time bring some apples and carrots because they love it.
I'm not feeling 100%, so I've got back to the boat and I'm gonna rest. And Brad has a lot of energy, so he's gonna take the ski out for a paddle. Have fun.
Okay, Rain's still not well one bit, so we're on a venture to find doctor's rooms.
I'm so sick. It's not good.
It's not good at all. We just parked the dinghy back there. So we've walked in and it's an absolute ghost town. We're gonna just walk around until we find someone. So we've had success. The doctor's rooms are just up behind us there. We've got Rain the meds. We've come across the local square. They're cooking barbecue, it seems, some live music. It's all going off. It's Friday night. What a vibe.
Homemade salmon and a bread. It looks so yummy.
Mislim da je svima staro.
How good that looks.
Želim.
So good.
Good morning.
Such a good spot.
I know. So I finally started feeling a bit better from the flu, and I've decided to pop myself on a floaty.
So we've got a competition on our hands. Travis and Brad are doing a race to the shore. How are you feeling?
Ready for it.
How are you feeling?
I am the number one.
So this is their prize.
3, 2,
1, go! Oh, belly flop to start. Are you exhausted? Oh. You have to touch the edge of the boat if you want to win. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you won. Oh, Bradley. Number 2.
After a lazy morning in the water, it was time to head to Korcula Old Town. It's a charming, well-preserved medieval gem characterized by its narrow, cobbled streets, ancient architecture, and iconic red roof buildings.
Made it to Korcula.
And we're back with Rain's cat adventures.
Look at how beautiful he is.
Well, at least I'm sorted.
Entering
really good.
Old Town in this place is amazing. You literally go through
the old castle walls.
It's amazing. Look at that. Wow. In the streets of Korcula, and look at this. Super artsy and old school. It's really beautiful. There's even washing on the line.
Korcula lays claim to being the birthplace of legendary explorer Marco Polo and provides a fascinating connection to the renowned adventurer's life and travels.
We're going up the top of the turret for some nice sunset drinks.
Get a cocktail.
So we found a little cocktail bar.
What's it called?
It's called Massimo.
Massimo. I better not have too many cocktails or I might not make it back down to this.
I know, it's crazy.
That's the coolest bar ever. How good is that? And then
we recommend this place, don't we?
Yeah.
Yes. Look at that sunset.
Massimo cocktail bar in Korcula Old Town.
Cheers to that.
Just listen.
Migrated from the cocktail bar just up there to Tesoro Pizzeria, and we've nailed the menu. We've got the Hawaiian pizza and the pesto pizza. Absolutely beautiful. We've got shots on the house.
Yeah, you did. It's right there.
We've just finished having dinner. We've got our takeaway pizza, but we're going to stop and get some gelati and walk along this beautiful promenade.
Yes.
We have hired a car today and we're driving the island of Korcula. We're going to head to the other side of the island and then take the scenic route all the way back and stop at some vineyards on the way. So we stopped at Priscapac because it looks so beautiful here. I'm just walking along the rocks. There's a ladder into the water, which I'm going to use and go for a swim in this crystal clear water. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you how nice this water is. And it's so clean. Like, you can literally see the bottom. The lay beds here are really cheap. They're €4. There's some restaurants and some beautiful hotels. Woohoo! We've made it to Lumbarda, which is another area of Korcula. The fire is super cute. It's more like a little garden terrace. There's no views, so we're going to keep on our search. We're headed now to Powick, which is 6 minutes down the road. Apparently it's rated #1 on TripAdvisor. And we found such a gorgeous little vineyard and the views are immaculate. It's called Vitis. And it's right next to Powick, so there's 2 right next to each other and they both have the most amazing views. So we've just come here and it's a lot quieter and it's really like authentic, beautiful. And the wine is all grown right here in front of you. From 300 BC they've been growing grapes here in the sand just behind me, and I've just tried this rosé and it is delicious.
Just trying the Gurk wine, local wine from the Croatian region here, only grown in Croatia. We're at Powick, so yeah, we'll give it a sip. Oh, that's delicious.
Powick has homemade olive oil, bread, and everything on this platter that comes with the tasting is homemade. Look how good that looks. Wow.
Great success, #1.
Great. Alright, we're finishing the day with a big grocery shop. Piled all of our groceries onto our little dinghy.
Step there and then step.
Brad thinks it's gonna sink, so good luck to us.
Grocery shop life on the boat.
I wonder if he's... Brad and I have made burgers for dinner. He is cooking them on the barbie, and I have prepped the table. We're in Old Town Korcula right now, and we are headed up to a panoramic viewpoint for a view of the city from up on the hill. And I found a mulberry. Yum!
Couldn't go past a beautiful mulberry tree or blackberry, I don't know what this is, without picking and trying it.
Is it nice?
Perfect.
Oh, yum.
That's actually so good.
We have officially made it to the viewpoint. It was an easy walk up a few stairs and down a road, and look at that view.
I was flying the drone and there was a strong wind and the battery was dying, so I've just had to do an emergency landing on this random driveway. Fingers crossed she's all in one piece and figure out how to make a noise.
Austin thinks he's seen it.
Bingo!
Oh,
yeah.
Literally in the bush. Oh my goodness.
It's working. Bonus. Thanks.
Well done.
She's a bit... How you going, but survived.
One last look for the view that almost cost us our drone. Now we're headed back into Old Town to find somewhere to have dinner. The promenade of Korcula Old Town is just beautiful. It's lined with these massive trees and it overlooks the ocean. We are headed to Silk and it overlooks the water. I've just ordered a margarita, €7 from Silk. It's delicious. And we have food coming on the way.
The menu looks super good. Best thing about having a wife, you can share the food.
Pork belly and the red curry. We also got the pad thai, which looks amazing, and the udon noodles. Oh my goodness, I'm in heaven. Highly recommend coming here and getting a few dishes and sharing because everything is so yum.
The realities of the boat ride home when the wind's blowing 20 knots. The storm is getting much closer. We think it's probably going to pass us, but fingers crossed, we're all good. We're seeing some lightning strikes. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Join us next week as we sail to Meljet National Park. Get ready to explore its lush forests, captivating saltwater lakes and monasteries. But that's not all. We hire a convertible and go on an adventure to Odysseus Cave. We cliff jump and free dive its underwater caverns. Like and subscribe to follow along.